morning everyone. In today's class I shall teach you about helping verbs. Now in the word helping there is a word called as help. Now help is to make it easier or possible for someone to do something by offering you a service. Now usually main verb is used to do the action. It is the principal verb. And helping verb is also there along with the main verb which supports the main verb. I'll give you a few helping verbs like am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being, do, does, did, have, has, had, can, could, may, might, and etc. and etc. So these are few helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, be, been, doing, do, does, did, have, has, had, can, could, may, might, and etc. So these are the helping verbs. Now in some sentences we only find the helping verbs, whereas in some sentences we find the main verb along with the helping verb. Now let me give you few examples in which you will only find the helping verbs. For example, she is a good girl. Now, this is the first example. She is a good girl. Now, in this particular sentence, only we find the helping verb. And the helping verb is. Next example. Dogs are faithful animals. Now, in this particular sentence, we only find the helping verb, are. So, are is the helping verb in this sentence. Another example. It was very cold last night. Okay. Now in this particular sentence we come across only the helping verb, that is was. It is in the past tense. Let us take another example. The monkeys were on the road. Now in this sentence only the helping verb is there, were. Another example. He has a sweet smile. Now in this sentence he has a sweet smile, has is only the. They have a kind heart. Now, in this sentence, have is only the helping verb. Okay. So, in all these sentences, she is a good girl, dogs are faithful animals, it was very cold last night, The monkeys were on the road. He has a sweet smile and they have a kind heart. In all these sentences, we only find the helping verb. First sentence only is found as the helping verb. Second sentence are is the only helping verb. Third sentence was is only the helping verb. Fourth sentence were is only the helping verb. Fifth sentence has is only the helping verb. And in the sixth sentence have is only the helping verb. So these are examples of sentences where we find only the helping verbs. Now we come across to sentences where we find both the main verb as well as the helping verb. Now in those type of sentences, the main verb is the principal verb which does the action, whereas the helping verb helps or supports the main verb. Let us take few examples. First example, Suhana is watching Cartoon Network. Now, in this sentence, there are two types of verbs, is and watching. Now, I am going to circle the helping verb and underline the main verb. Now, is the helping verb which I have circled and watching is the main verb which I have underlined. Now the second example. The sheep were grazing in the field. In this sentence again, both helping as well as main verbs are there. Now the helping verb here is were and grazing is the main verb. Third example. The girl has found her toy. Now in this sentence, again both helping as well as main verbs are found. Has is the helping verb and found is the main verb. Let us take another example. The children can join the class. In this sentence, can is the helping verb, whereas join is the main verb. So both helping and main verbs are found in these sentences. Okay, let us take another example. I shall win the competition. Now in this sentence, shall is the helping verb and win is the main verb. Now, boys will complete the homework. So, in this sentence, will is the helping verb and complete is the main verb. Now, in all these sentences, we find that the helping verb is placed in front of the main verb. Now, first sentence is the helping verb which is placed in front of the main verb, that is watching. In the second sentence, were is the helping verb which is placed in front of the main verb grazing, and so on and so forth. I hope you all have understood and you will understand whatever I have taught in today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you.